Hello and welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? I'm sure you're all doing great. Here I bring you all another delicious recipe, one pot jollof rice recipe. Here we have our ingredients. We have rice, tomato paste, chicken, spring onion, red onion, ginger and scotch bonnet pepper. So we're gonna get on to start cooking. Here we have oil. This is olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So I'm gonna go in with my chopped onion, ginger, and scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna mix these together. So here we have our chicken. I've just put that in. I'm gonna stir and combine all of this together. Here we have our spices. You can use any spice of your choice. Here we have salt. I'll give this a quick mix to combine together. So here we have our tomato paste. I'll go in with that and mix properly. Our food is already coming together, guys. If you're new here, my name is Victoria. In this channel, we make yummy recipes, delicious, healthy recipes. Please do make sure to hit the subscription button to join the family. Now, I'm gonna go in with the rice. I'll make sure to mix this properly to combine together. And after that, I'll go in with my water. Make sure to add enough water. You have to be a little bit above the rice that you're cooking, okay? So here we have our bay leaf. I've just added my bay leaf. It gives jollof rice a very good flavor. So that is almost done. I'm gonna go in now with my peas. If you have corn, you can also add corn or any vegetable of your choice like carrots and all those sweet delicious vegetables. So I'm just going to mix together. The food is almost done. Usually I add my vegetables towards the end when I know that the rice is already done. Okay, so it's just to steam the vegetables, so you don't necessarily need to cook the vegetable for a long time. Here our food is ready. I'm just dishing out the food. I've just sprinkled a little bit of spring onion, and I've also gone ahead to garnish this food with sweet potato. Just the sweet potato on its own, it tastes so heavenly, and all of this combined together, oh my goodness, it is so delicious, guys. You need to try it. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. Please do make sure to support me by subscribing to my channel and being a part of this channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'm gonna see you all in my next one. Take care and know that Jesus Christ loves you. Bye.